see me struggling. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this colorful V-tips nail art. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel to support me. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Now back to the tutorial. First of all, apply sheer pink or nude color nail polish on your nails and let it dry completely. Then now stick V-shaped nail vinyls on the tip of your nails. You can buy this online. And now see me struggling just to stick this vinyl on my nails.
2,000 years later.
Finally, paint the exposed area with the nail polish of your choice and peel this vinyl right off after applying nail polish. Let it dry completely and top it off with a generous amount of top coat to seal in your design. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.